स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे चैनल में। मैं आपका होस्ट राहुल सावंत। आज का जो वीडियो है वो है जॉब रिलेटेड। आज की जो कंपनी है वो है achieve.com। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो। जिस कंपनी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं वो है achieve.com। achieve.com is a consulting firm. The job role we are providing is full stack software engineer. The responsibilities are developing large-scale web applications and developing APIs. The requirements are BE BTech with a 2 to 3 year experience. The backend languages which are required is Python and PHP. The front-end language which are required are React.js and jQuery. The location is Goregaon, Mumbai, and the salary they are providing is 12 lakh per annum. All the data regarding this company is provided in the description. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share it with your friends and don't forget to press the subscribe button.